Sewing World has all your sewing needs sorted. We sell sewing machines from respected brands Janome and Benina, as well as associated parts and accessories. We also service all makes of sewing machines and stock a huge selection of patchwork, fabric, kits, patterns, tools and haberdashery. Not only will we help you choose the right sewing machine, but we're here with advice, even instructional classes, as well as good old-fashioned service with a smile. We're more than happy to share our experience of over 33 years with you. Think sewing, think Sewing World.